Hello, everyone. Welcome back to this podcast. I'm your host, Afamijeke, and today we are tackling a question I get asked all the time. What is the difference between a statement of purpose called SOP and a motivation letter? And how do you write each one to actually get noticed by universities or scholarship committees? By the end of this episode, you will know not only the difference, but I will also walk you step by step through how I personally write a strong and motivation letter using a real world example for this demonstration. So grab your notebook or your laptop, get comfortable, and let's unlock the secret of crafting your story. Let's focus on the SOP first. You start with the purpose. Convince the admissions committee that you are academically and professionally prepared. Then you show that you have a clear plan for your studies and career. We go to the structure of a strong SOP. We start with introduction. Grab the attention with defining moments, right? And then the academic background. Show preparation and relevant coursework. After the academic background, you go to the professional experience. Here, highlight practical skills and achievements. Why this program or university? Be specific about why you chose them. After that, you now have the career goals. Show where this program fits into your future. Let's look at a life example. For instance, I might start my SOP with my fascination with international business began when I observed a local startup in Nigeria expand its market to Europe. I realized business is about strategy, innovation, and cross-cultural collaboration. Notice, I didn't just say I want to study international business. I'm showing my journey, setting the stage for academic relevance. Now, let's look at motivational letter. What is the purpose of motivational letter? It shows your passion, your personal motivation, and alignment with the program or scholarship. Convince the committee that you care deeply about your chosen path. Then the structure of the motivation letter. Start with personal background. Tell your story. followed by
uh,
uh,
your
your
experience.
experience.
Trigger
Trigger experience.
experience. What
What
inspired
inspired
your
your
interest?
interest?
Then
Then
the
the
third
third
one,
one,
connect to
connect
the
to the
program.
program.
Show
Show
alignment
alignment
with
with
values
values
and
and
mission.
mission.
Then
Then
followed
followed
by
by
future
future
vision.
vision.
How
How
you
you
want to
want to
make
make
an
an
impact.
impact.
So you
So you
saw the
saw the
structure
structure
there.
there.
Let's do
Let's
a
do a
little
little
demonstration
demonstration
of
of
that.
that.
I
I
might
might write
write my
my
motivation
motivation
letter
letter
like
like this,
this, the
the
opening
opening
paragraph.
paragraph.
That's the
That's the
purpose.
purpose.
Growing
Growing
up in
up in
Nigeria,
Nigeria,
I
I
wanted,
wanted,
or
or
rather,
rather,
growing up
growing
in
up in
Nigeria,
Nigeria,
I
I
watched
watched
local
local
businesses
businesses
struggle
struggle
to
to
expand
expand
internationally.
internationally.
That
That
inspired
inspired
me
me
to
to
connect
connect
local
local
talent
talent
with
with
global
global
opportunities.
opportunities.
Studying
Studying
international
international business
business at
at
XYZ
XYZ
University
University
will
will
equip
equip
me
me
to
to
turn
turn
this
this
vision
vision
into
into
reality.
reality.
Notice the
Notice the difference.
difference. Here
Here
in
in
motivational
motivational
letter,
letter,
it's
it's
less
less
about
about
GPA,
GPA,
but
but
more
more
about
about heart,
hearts, mission,
mission,
and
and
inspiration.
inspiration.
Let's
Let's
put
put
SOP,
SOP,
that's
that's
statement
statement
of
of
purpose,
purpose,
and
and
motivation
motivation
letter
letter
side by
side by
side.
side.
Same
Same applicants,
applicants, same
same
goal,
goal,
but
but
different
different
tone.
tone.
SOP
SOP
is
is
more
more
of
of
academic
academic
and
and
is
is
formal.
formal.
So
So
um,
um,
it
it
state,
state,
it,
it,
the
the
paragraph
paragraph
could go
could go
like
like
this.
this.
During my
During my
undergraduate
undergraduate studies,
studies, I
I
explored
explored
global
global
market
market dynamics
dynamics through
through
coursework
coursework
and
and
capstone
capstone
projects
projects
on
on
cross-border
cross-border
e-commerce.
e-commerce.
You know,
You know,
that's
that's
for
for
statement of
statement of
purpose.
purpose.
But for
But for
motivational
motivational
letter,
letter,
or
or
rather
rather
motivation
motivation
letter,
letter,
is
is
personal
personal
and
and
emotional.
emotional.
The same
The same
statement will
statement
go
will go
like
like
this.
this.
Watching
Watching
local
local
businesses
businesses
struggle
struggle
to
to
expand
expand
beyond
beyond borders
borders ignited
ignited
my
my
passion
passion
for
for
creating
creating
pathways
pathways
that
that
connect
connect
local
local
potentials
potentials
to
to
global
global
opportunities.
opportunities.
See
See
that
that
SOP,
SOP,
you
you
know,
know, is,
is you
you
can
can
say
say
SOP
SOP
is
is
equal to
equal to
logic
logic
and
and
proof,
proof,
while
while
motivation
motivation
letter
letter
is
is
equal to
equal to
emotion
emotion
and
and
inspiration.
inspiration.
Both
Both
complement
complement
each
each
other,
other,
but
but
they
they
serve
serve
different
different purposes.
purposes. Now,
Now,
let's do
let's
a
do a
life
life
writing
writing
demo.
demo.
You
You
know,
know,
we
we
write
write
SOP
SOP
letter
letter
and we
and we
write
write
motivation
motivation
letter
letter
for
for
a
a
fictional
fictional
applicant
applicant
applying
applying
for
for
a
a
master's
master's
in
in
international
international business.
business. So,
So,
step
step
one,
one,
SOP
SOP
introduction.
introduction.
My
My
fascination
fascination
with
with
international
international
business
business
began
began
when I
when I
observed
observed
a
a
local
local
startup
startup
expand
expand
its
its
market
market
to
to
Europe.
Europe.
Then,
Then,
for
for
motivation
motivation
letter,
letter
introduction.
introduction.
Growing
Growing
up,
up,
I
I
often
often
watched
watch
local
local businesses
businesses
struggle to expand internationally, which inspired me to create pathways connecting local potential with global markets. Then, you see, you compare structure and tone. So, SOP, academic story, from academic story, you go to the skills. From the skills, you go to future goal. In motivation letter, you start with your personal story, then you move to inspiration, and then vision. So try writing your own. You may not have a need for it right away, but I encourage you, try writing one now, especially as you watch this video, so that you start getting used to it. You never can tell, right? You may need it sooner than you expect. Before we close, let's talk mistakes I see all the time. Let's talk about it. I see mistakes in mixing personal stories in SOP too much. I also see overloading motivation letter with grades or transcripts, copy pasting generic reasons from university websites, then poor structure or rambling. Not proofreading. People just write and submit without holding it back a bit. Here are some professional tips. Write SOP first to get your academic story clear. Then write motivation letter. Your heart comes through more naturally. Read aloud to check tone and flow. And there you have it, a full breakdown of SOP, that's statement of purpose versus motivation letter, including structure, tone, examples, and live demonstration. Remember, SOP is equal to mind, while motivation is to the heart. Both are powerful when crafted correctly. So, if you enjoyed this episode, hit subscribe, share with someone applying abroad, and comment below with questions or topics for our next episode. This is Afamijeke reminding you to tell your story wisely, and doors will open for you. Thank you.